Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook keeps logging out. So first, check your internet. So open your phone settings, tap on Wi-Fi, make sure you're connected to a stable network. If it's slow, you can switch to mobile data or turn off Wi-Fi, then turn it on again. Now for the second method, clear Facebook cache. If you're using Android, you can clear Facebook cache. So just go to settings, scroll down to apps or app management. Now find and tap Facebook and just tap on storage and tap clear cache. On iPhone, you can just delete and reinstall the app instead. No cache button. Now for the third method, you can update the app. So close settings and go to App Store or Play Store. Now once you're on App Store, click the search bar and search for Facebook. Open it. And if you see update button, just tap on that if available. Next method, check login activity. So close App Store and go to Facebook. Tap the menu icon. Scroll down to settings and privacy. Now tap on settings. Now once you're on settings, tap security and login and look at where you're logged in. Then tap logout on unknown devices. On iPhone, you can click the search bar and search for password and security and tap on it. Then scroll down to security checks and tap where you're logged in. Then tap log out on unknown devices. Now for the next method is to turn off VPN. So close Facebook and go to settings. Now scroll down and look for VPN and turn it off if available. Then close the settings and reopen Facebook and log in again. Now for the next method is to change your password. So to do that, open Facebook, click on your menu or your profile icon, scroll down to privacy and settings or settings and privacy and tap on settings. Look for password and tap on it. Or tap on accounts center, tap password and security, and tap on change password. Then select your account. Now enter your current password and your new password and retype your new password. You can also check this box right here if you want to log out of other devices and just tap on change password at the bottom. Now for the final method, you can reinstall Facebook. So close Facebook and press and hold the Facebook app. Tap on remove app and tap on delete app. Confirm the action. Now once deleted, go to App Store. Look for Facebook app and open it and click the cloud icon to reinstall the Facebook app. Now once installed, log in again and see if that fixes your problem. And that's it. That's how you can fix Facebook logout issue. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.